drag racing, so come along with me. Currently about to head out to Yellow Belly. I am in my newer Chevy Silverado, and my brother and my dad are going to be following me in my Burnout truck. It's still getting tuned, so we're going to head out, fill up my fuel tank, and then head there. We're at 7-Eleven. I'm going to fill up my truck and then my gas can for my Burnout truck, so let's go. I'm going to fill it up and then head to Yellow Belly.
Watching? Yeah, her dad might want to later.
We got our vans, we made it in. We're gonna try to find some good parking. It looks pretty packed, I'm not gonna lie. My dad's falling up behind and he has to wait in that long line. So we'll get to y'all when we get all settled in inside. We just got my truck parked. We're waiting on my dad and brother to come with my Burnout truck and hopefully get in the pit. I'm kind of nervous. Hopefully I don't chicken out. We're watching the cars race right now. I think there's a Charger. A Charger and a Corvette about to race right now. I got the Corvette! No! Yeah, my truck would get dusted by all of these trucks here. I'm not even gonna lie. Do y'all think this guy's gonna win right here? Let's check out what these trucks got. That's madness. Bro, look at how his... I would take care of my truck. I would never put my truck in a situation like that. not put my truck through that. I would feel so bad.
I'm being told that was our last burnout. We're going back to racing.
The burnouts just finished. Let me know which one was y'all's favorite. Now they're gonna pick back up on the racing. In my opinion, I got the TRX behind me. Let me know what you guys think. Let's go. This is my first test pass ever.
How nervous are you?
I'm really nervous. I got my dad riding passenger. I'm gonna send it all the way. I'm excited, so let's see how this turns out. I'm ready to get sendy. I just did my first pass down the track and I smoked that 4-door I went against. It was an amazing feeling. It's a lot of adrenaline that I like, and I just can't even imagine how it's gonna feel when I get in the burnout pit. So I'm excited. I'm glad she's up and running. It's a lot of things to look forward to.
Hey, I got one over.
You're done.
I love a good Corvette. Right now, we're doing Corvette versus Charger. I got the Corvette all day. This just makes me want to race so bad. It makes me want to go 1,000 miles on the highway, bro. My Theo John showed up. Let's see what he's on. What's up, Theo?
What's up?
In the building. When'd you get here?
Just right now.
Had a ton of fun out here with my dad today. It's an environment I love, and I can't wait to experience more shows this year. And my baby is finally ready, so she's gonna experience them with me. Thank y'all for watching, and tune in for more videos coming soon. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time.